In this video, we will be discussing a question from special series. Let a1 b1 equal to 1, a1 and b1 equal to 1, and an equal to an minus 1 plus 2, and bn equal to an plus bn minus 1 for every natural number n greater than. Then sigma n equal to 1 to 15, an bn equal to, we need to evaluate this quantity. First of all, we need to find the general term of a1 and an and bn in this equation. Already given a1 equal to 1, a1 equal to 1, and an equal to an minus 1, an equal to an minus 1 plus 2. We can do this in two ways. That is, a1 is already given as 1, a2 will be equal to a2 will be equal to a2 minus 1, a1 plus 2, which means we will add, which means this will be 1 plus 2, and a3 will be equal to a2 plus 2, an minus 1 plus 2. So it will become a2 will be 1 plus 2 plus 2. From here you know that it is a NAP, arithmetic progression. Or if you closely observe something, you can notice that in the term, if you bring this here, minus n minus 1, the term difference between two consecutive terms is 2. Therefore, it's an AP. So all A will be in AP. Therefore, you can write it as an equal to A plus, what is the nth term of an AP? A plus n minus 1 into B. Here it will become A is first term is 1 and n minus 1 into common difference is 2. 2 will be added every time to get the next term. So this will become 2. Therefore, our nth term an in general will be 2n minus 1 that we have obtained. Now, one more thing, a1 equal to 1 and a2 will be equal to 1 plus 2 3, and a3 will become 1 3 plus 2 5, a3 will be 3 plus 2 5. Similarly, a4 will be equal to 7, etc. That's how the sequence will be going. Now we need to find the general term for bn. So bn is given us, what is the general expression for bn? Bn equal to an plus bn minus 1. So bn equal to an plus bn minus 1, and b1 is already given as 1. Initially it is already given b1 equal to 1. Therefore, we will be calculating the general term for b. So what will be the value of b1? b1 is already given as 1. b2 will be equal to, see from here, b2 will be equal to a2 plus bn minus 1, that is b1. Therefore, b2 will become a2. a2 value is how much? It is 3. 3 plus b1 value is 1. That is 1 plus 3. Now we need to find b3. b3 will be from here, b3 will be what? b3 will be equal to a3 plus b2, a3 plus b2. So b2 value is already there, 1 plus 3, and we need a3, right? a3 equal to 5. So from here, when you write the next term, you can conclude that b4 will be 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is our b3 plus a4. a4 is 7. In general, sum of n odd numbers equal to n square. If you take n odd numbers, the sum is n square. For example, here it is sum equal to 1 square. Here sum equal to 4, which is equal to 2 square. And here sum equal to 9, which is equal to 3 square. And here the sum equal to 16, which is equal to 4 square. So in general, bn will give you n square. Now we have an. an equal to, an will be of the form 2n minus 1, that is odd number, 2n minus 1, and bn which is equal to n square. And in the question they have asked us to find sigma 1 to 15 an bn. Therefore, this will become sigma n equal to 1 to 15. An can be replaced with the 2n minus 1 and bn can be replaced with the n square. Now when you distribute this value inside, it will become sigma 1 to 15 2n cube minus n square. Now we will be applying the value sum of cubes of n natural number. Sum of cubes of n natural number will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square, minus sum of squares of n natural number will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 the whole divided by 6. Now we will be applying 15 over here because we need first 15 numbers, right? So we will be applying here. Therefore, this will become 2 into 15 into 16 divided by 2 the whole square, minus this will be 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 into 2 into 15, 30 plus 1, that will be 31 the whole divided by 6. Here this value 2 will be cancelled and it will become 8, and here it will become 3. Again we will be cancelling with 5, and here this can be written as 2 into 15 into 60. So this can be cancelled and we can write it as 8. Now 8 into 15. So 8 into 15 will be how much? 8 into 10 will be 80, and another 40. This will become 120 the whole square, minus this will become 8 into 5, which is equal to 40 into 31. Now we will be solving this one. It will be 12 square is 144 and 2 0 will be there. That is 120 square minus. This can be multiplied. When you multiply, it will become 4 and 12 followed by a 0. Now when you distribute this 2 inside, or just multiply this 2 inside, it will be 28800 minus 1240. 1240. When you subtract, this will become 0. This will become 7 and this will become 10. It will become 6 and 5 and 7 2. So our final answer will be 27560.